In this video, we are proving this identity. So the first question is, which side are we going to prove? Are we going to prove the left-hand side or are we going to prove the right-hand side? I would advise that you choose the busy side to prove. You choose a side that has a lot going on because it is easier to break it down. On the right-hand side, we don't have much going on. Our busy side is on the left-hand side. So we're going to work on the left-hand side to prove the right-hand side. If you take a look at the right-hand side, we don't have any fractions. So in everything that we do on the left-hand side, we should try to eliminate the denominator so that we have nothing that looks like a fraction. What will help us to eliminate the denominator is to have sine theta plus cos theta in the numerator so that it cancels out the denominator. 1 has an identity of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. In this case, it is good to change 1 to this identity because in the denominator we have sine theta plus cos theta, and this identity has sine theta plus cos theta. So this will help us to eliminate the denominator and remove the fraction. So we're going to continue. We have plus 2 sine theta cos theta over sine theta plus cos theta. Now we can factorize this, but first I want to write it in a way that it is more clear. We're going to have sine squared theta. Then we take cos squared theta to the other side. So we're going to have plus 2 sine theta cos theta plus cos squared theta all over sine theta plus cos theta. Now we can factorize the numerator. So we're going to have sine theta and sine theta. This multiplied by this would give us sine squared theta and cos theta, cos theta. This multiplied by this will give us cos squared theta. Because we have a positive sign on this side and this side, we're going to have a positive and a positive. Sine theta plus cos theta. So now these two in brackets look exactly like our denominator. So 1 is divided by the denominator, which cancels out the fraction, leaving us with sine theta plus cos theta, which is equal to the right-hand side. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.